just woke up, so I probably look a mess. But here's the view this morning. And here's the breakfast we ordered. We ordered room service, so I got some fried plantains, which I'm excited about. Oh, the mango is so good. Mango, got pineapple. And then this is mine. Oh, they have a lot of eggs. Eggs with spinach, cheese, bacon, potatoes. That's mine. And then eggs. You got a lot of eggs too. Eggs with bacon and potato wedges for mom. We about to munch. Yum, yum.
So you'll be going up the river stream. Three goes together.
With the three.
The group with the three.
Oh, let's get on the raft. Katie! We about to go rafting in the limestone scrub.
You're doing good taking video.
The highly requested. The highly requested limestone scrub. Yeah, man. Oh, you're so cute. Smile for the camera. Yeah, girls, Margaret. Zoom back out. Be careful now, mama. About to get on the raft. We saw a crab. Right quick, we saw a crab. Yeah, crawling right here on the bamboo. How you enjoying it, Mom? Is it relaxing? We got Bob, Molly, Quita, Kelly, Julian. Like, I've never had coconut before. Never in this or coconut at all. First time. Limestone scrub.
You try some of it?
Mm-mm.
Everybody got social anxiety. That's the one way I feel like.
At the beach at the resorts. The view on one side of the resort. You all see those little bitty fish? They're right there in the water.
Yeah, man, no problem. So I have two teams. But yeah. Uh-oh, 7 services. Easy.
Tonight's fit, a blazer dress with my sandals. I'm wearing my hair all down. Or the braids down. It's little belts. I got my little purse just to catch some things that I'm carrying. That is it. We signed up for the hibachi.
Okay. It might be at the same table. Like it can fit a few people. There's 8 of us though.
Oh, it's 4 of us. We're at Momo's, about to get ready for the hibachi on our last night in Jamaica. So it's like kind of like our farewell dinner. Hey, grandma girl. Hi. Hey, pretty lady.
Alright. So the same shade is going to start you all off the tree after.
It's all about the top. Right? Yeah.
You know if they call me mom. It's Jamaican. I must look like a mom.
So this is our last night in Jamaica, and I have a question for you.
What is it?
What's been your favorite part of the trip? Just tell me one thing that's been your favorite.
The wrap?
The bamboo rafts?
Yes.
It was nice. I would say I enjoyed a lot of things on the trip, but one thing I really enjoyed was being able to make new memories with my mom and my sister and my niece, because we've never, all of us, been on a trip together. And so, yeah, it's been really good in these past few days, experiencing Jamaica with you all.
We're not the birthday girl, we're just friends.
I'm not the birthday girl. I'm the daughter.
I'm the birthday girl. What you got, Jamie?
I got a mango ginger martini. First taste.
Got
This has been home sweet home for the past few days. See mommy over there in the mirror. But now it's time for us to head back to our home. I'm gonna get a view of the beach today. This is our view in Ocho Rios, Jamaica on our last day here. Really pretty view, sun shining. Looks really beautiful. I know I'm kind of dark, but I want to show the ocean back there. But yeah, we've been here since Thursday, and today is now Sunday. Very short, sweet trip. Really enjoyed it. Some things on our list of things we want to do. We got to check them off. Things like bamboo rafting, which you'll see in this video. Also, we had a chance to do Dunes River, which was a real treat. We didn't do a guide, but there was somebody that came up and kind of was our guide. We got a chance to get a few souvenirs. I like to get magnets for every place I travel to and put them on my refrigerator. So I got a Jamaica magnet. We got a chance to try the different restaurants at the resort, go to shows at night, check out the beach for a little while, check out the pool and events at the pool. And oh, we didn't do the Jamaica sign. But yeah, I really enjoyed my stay. I'll share a little bit more as we are wrapping up and before I post. Jamaica man, yeah man, we're on. Irie. I see, this is my coconut, which I brought back to the room. I took pictures with it on the beach, and it just tastes good. It's my first time ever tasting coconut. I was putting some of the pulp on my hair yesterday, so some of the pulp out of the inside, because I can't cut it open. Yeah, some of the pulp. All right, this is my meal today. I got eggs, grilled pineapple, watermelon, mango, honeydew, bacon, mango yogurt with mango puree, little coconut flake, and strawberry puree as well, and some mango juice. And this is our view. So we're sitting at the Buccaneer Reef to eat. It's really pretty outside today. I want to just go put my feet in the water, but we leave out so soon as we finish breakfast. No, don't do that. Don't do that. No, get Club Obey. We stood in the wrong line at first, but only like 5 minutes. And then I realized, oh, Club Obey is down there. Then we had to check in and come on this side. Because we would have still been in the line, Mama, over here.
I know. We were able to come see it.
This is the line we would have been in.
And I knew Club Mobile was the kind of place you to skip everything.
So I'm going to show you what line we would have been in if I hadn't paid attention when I did. That's the other line over there that we bypassed, but it was longer than that. Finally making it to Club Mobile before we take our flight. We up in duty-free shopping. We're enjoying the Sky Lounge. There's some food I'm gonna get, a drink, and we got Wi-Fi. Let's hope there's some things over there I can eat. Oh, they got TV over there and everything. They're watching a movie. To the left, left. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification button to be notified when I post videos. If you haven't already, check out part 1 of the Jamaica Family vlogs using the links in the caption.